going on, guys? It's been a while, I know. Back at it. Good old Goodwill. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to turn a little bit of money into a lot of bit of money. Probably won't be able to sell this because it's HP. Gun got a barcode. It's still skinny. It's a bad. It's not reading it, so. Try something. And if it doesn't work, guys, what you can always do is just type it in. Another item, restricted. Would have been good profit though. This product. Nope. As you can see, it's selling for $24. It costs $4. But when I go in here, it's selling for $28.99 used. So when I enter my profits, I'm going to figure it out. $5 is how much my cost. My profit will be $12. So now I want to figure out who I want to sell this, because it's almost 400,000 in kitchen. So I don't know if that's good or not. So what I'm going to do is cheat. There's an app called Jungle Scout. So I said 400,000 in kitchen. You can just type in 400,000 United States market, and I'm going to type in kitchen, and you'll see home and kitchen or kitchen and dining. I'm going to calculate those sales. 0 per month. So is that something that I want to hold on to? Is that something that maybe somebody might buy? That's something that you're going to have to decide. Me personally, I can't tell you because I don't want you to know. In this case right here, this costs $20. You can see the box is kind of messed up, so nobody really got time for that. But my profit would be $38. So I would profit 15 bucks. But again, if a customer gets this is something they might have to send back. So I'm not even gonna bother with it. So that's something you would just want to, definitely don't want to get that. So I want y'all to look at this. This costs $2. Y'all see that? $2. It's selling new for 40 bucks. I know I don't have to do the profit for y'all, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It cost me $2. I'm gonna put $2.12 just because I like doing tax. It's $2.21, whatever. That's my profit off a $2 product. But with that being said, I want y'all to look at something else. The rank in toys is $2 million. Not that great, but there are no FBA offers. I will be the only one selling it. So for $2, I can get this product, and it can last till Christmas for all I care. I'll take 2 to make 20 something in a day.
Yeah, I got that. I got that. I got that. I got that.
This sells well on eBay, not so much on Amazon. So, and as you're searching, you'll see this came from Amazon. I can just tell that's an Amazon barcode. So I don't know why that seller sent it back. In this item and I couldn't find it, but I googled it. Come to find out that this thing is worth, and I'm about to pay $14.99. Always do your research. Always. That's the deal of the day, guys. Like, I feel like I can go home, but why? I haven't been working for an hour yet, so I want to make more than $20 an hour. But I just did that with this one item, potentially.